Hi and welcome back to Mediacloud Studio. Let's see how to edit dealer certificates on the platform. So first I'll choose the template to edit. From the template, I shall select the design that is required. I'll put in the variables, which is the dealer name and the valid dates in this particular example. So depending on your templates and your design, it will change the variables. So once those details are entered, you can click on the generate PDF button to download the print ready files. Alternatively, there is another option where you can add multiple data sets using Excel lists so that you can generate multiple outputs from one single platform edit. So over here, I've downloaded around 6 to 7 outputs by just uploading one single Excel file, which on a normal scale, which your team would have to take an output one by one. So this is a very good way of getting about in saving time. Thank you.